to the Ingles table. I'm Jasmin Queen, and today we're making a super substitute recipe that I know you're going to love. It's my cauliflower ziti. We've already been to Ingles and we have everything we need to get started. So first up, I have some ground beef in the cast iron skillet along with some onion and a little bit of red pepper flakes. I'm making sure that all gets cooked. Beforehand, I went ahead and steamed some cauliflower. I just took a head of cauliflower, placed it in a steaming basket, let it steam for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I blanched it. So I put it in a bowl of cold water, put some ice cubes in there just to make sure it stopped cooking because you don't want the cauliflower too mushy because we're going to use it as a noodle substitute today. So I already have that there. I'm getting my ground beef cooking, and it looks like it is about done. I have some tomato paste. We're going to put that in here. All right, so we put the tomato paste in here. We have a little bit of oregano. You're not going to believe how good this tastes. I know it sounds a little odd, but you have to trust me on this one. You're going to have to make it. You're going to have to try it because you're going to absolutely love it. All right, we want to make sure the tomato paste gets all mixed in here. It's smelling like ziti. I love it. All right, and then we have a can of crushed tomatoes. I picked the Italian kind, but you can pick any kind you want. There we go. Get that all stirred in. And we're gonna make this just like you make a ziti or a lasagna. We're gonna layer it. We're gonna get all the yummy cheese in there. A lot of people who don't eat carbs, this is a wonderful substitute. Isn't cauliflower everyone's favorite carb substitute? Yeah, I think so, right? Okay, so we're gonna get this heated up. Let's put a little bit of fresh basil in here. Basil's probably my favorite. I love basil. All right. Get our cauliflower, and we're just going to pour this mixture over the cauliflower and stir it all together. That's hot though, so here we go. Let's turn this off. And let's pour this into our cauliflower. There we go. Perfect. And let's get this stirred all in. You want to make sure that every piece of the cauliflower is coated. There we go. And again, you want to make sure that your cauliflower is still a little hard. You don't want it too mushy because if it's mushy, then when you start stirring it like this, it's going to totally fall apart on you. And we don't want that. We want it to be crunchy, be filling. And you know, if you're wanting to be extra healthy, if you're not into ground beef, you could use ground chicken, you could use ground pork, or you could make it vegetarian if you wanted. That would work too. Okay. So now we're going to layer it. We're going to put some of the cauliflower mix here at the bottom. Gets a little messy, but that's all right. Okay. All right, so kind of flatten that out. And then you're going to take some ricotta cheese, and the heat from the ground beef should make this kind of melt right in here. Need to move that. There we go. So you just kind of put it in like that. And we might use this whole container on this. It just kind of depends on how cheesy you like it. But I say if you're swapping out the noodles for cauliflower, that you can use a little extra cheese. That's my rule anyway. There we go. And then we have some mozzarella. Put that over there. And then just some Parmesan. You can grate your own if you want, but I just got the little shaker Parmesan and that works just fine. Put a little bit more cheese over here. And then we're going to layer it again with our cauliflower mixture. Put that right on top of there. You know, I'm telling you, even my kid likes this meal. And she's a very picky eater, but she will eat this. She likes this one. Also have another recipe for cauliflower mac and cheese, which is also another one, but that one uses noodles. So we're really switching it up in this one today. There we go, a couple more scoops here. And then of course, we want to top it with more cheese. There we go. All in all, we probably use about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of cheese. Perfect. All right, we're gonna pop this in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, get it all cooked, all blended together, and we'll be right back. We just pulled it out of the oven. We let it cook at 375 for about 20 to 25 minutes. It has a beautiful golden brown color on the top of it. Guys, I'm gonna serve this up with a side salad and maybe a little side of crusty bread, and it's gonna be the perfect meal. I wanna thank you so much for joining me here at the Ingles table. Remember to explore the site for more tips, tricks, and recipes. See you next time.